minute. Who are you?
Man, you already know who's back, man. It's Step Up. Shout out to Young BC, man. The power is up, and you are my kryptonite. Everything I did was because I missed that broken night. Brought up the past, then it blew up in my fucking face. So many times, wishing that you took my fucking place. So many times, thinking how I got to this place. I don't really wanna fight.
Yeah, it's the weather. But it do not last long. Nope. That's the one thing I noticed. I've been up here in New York for about, my son 18, for about what, 13, 14 years now. Since 02. Again, no one, you already said it. That's one with his son Jordan right there. Jordan.
How you doing, buddy?
How you doing, buddy? Right there.
Nice to meet you.
See the boy driving with my new thing, my new stunner. You know what I'm saying? How it is.
It's a little,
Already know what to do.
it's a little blurry though.
Mike, is your camera?
Yeah. You be like this though.
I'm gonna have you get out, stand on the other side so I get the sign in the background.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Oh God, look at that. Steve Mueller Motors, sales and services. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, we in the new whip, nigga.
Yeah, yo, hey, this is the new Jimmy Jam.
Yes, sir. Let me see the back seats, nigga. A little bit of cleaning. Get that bit right, nigga.
Yeah.
Ah, that's clean, nigga.
Clean,
that's
baby.
clean.
Oh, look, and it shows me how fast I go.
Yeah. That's not bad. Dang, I gotta warm up, starting to shake. Man, you already know who's back, man. It's Step Up. Shout out to Young B.